I went into carpentry because I have family that's into it, like uncles and grandparents, and I decided to get into it because I was interested in it.
I decided to take this course because I wanted to learn more about carpentry and see what's good about it.
I've learned a lot from this class. I've only been here a year, but I feel like I understand most things in this class, and I think I came a long way.
It's kind of fun. You kind of get better and better each time, and you get faster.
I mean, usually we'll do different things time to time. Some of us are better at certain things, so Mr. Wyman will put me at the chop side usually for cutting chair legs, and Josh is a good build team leader, so he usually is in charge of building the chairs. If you like doing hands-on work, if you like doing a variety of things, if you're interested in cutting wood, building things, it's a very good class.